Math book. Previous class we have discussed exercise 6.3. Today we can start a new topic, finding the square root by division method. See this number and square also, perfect square also written. Square of 10 is 100. That is square root of 100 is 10. So 100 is the smallest 3-digit perfect square, 100. Then 31 square is 961. So this is the greatest 3-digit perfect square. And 32 square is 1024. This is the smallest 4-digit perfect square, 1024. And 99 square is 9801. This is the greatest 4-digit perfect square. Now, how we can find the number of digits in the square root of a perfect square? How we can find? See here perfect square is having 3 digits and the square root is having 2 digits. And here perfect square is here also 3 digits and the square root is having only 2 digits. Then here also 4 digits are there in a perfect square, but in a square root is having 32. Same way this number also. So if a perfect square number having n digits, number of digits is n, then the square root is having n by 2 digits when n is even. If n is even, then the square root is having n by 2 digits. If n is odd, then the square root is having n plus 1 by 2 digits. N is odd. See here. See 1, 0, 0, 3 digits. N is 3. 3 is even number. 3 is odd number. 3 is odd number. So which equation we can use? N plus 1 by 2. That is 3 plus 1 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So square root is having 2 digits. Same way here also. Here 32 square. Perfect square is having 4 digits. 4 is even number. 4 is even number. So which equation we can use? 4 by 2. N by 2. So square root is having only 2 digits. See this. So this way we can find this equation we can use. If n is even, n by 2 digits. If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2 digits. N is the number of digits in the perfect square. In the square number. Number of digits in the perfect square or square number. Hope it is clear. Now we can study how to find the square root of this number using division method. Before we studied this prime factorization method. But it is a very big number. It is very difficult using prime factorization method. Is time consuming also. It is very difficult. So using division method, it is easy. If it is a very big number, 5 digit, 6 digit number, then it is easy using division method. Then 529 is the number. This is few steps are there. You have to listen. So first you have to arrange these numbers in pairs. That is 529. We can arrange right to left. So 29, 2 and 9, one group, 2 to each group 2 2. 29. Then only 5 left that you can keep it first. Okay, 2. First step is you can pair these numbers, group these numbers. In each group 2 2. Then if it is 529, only one pair we will get. Then next is keeping like this. Okay. Then same like division we are doing now. Same way you can draw the lines. Okay. Then first number is 5. Then you should check which square number is less than. The greatest square number less than or equal to 5. That is 2 into 1 into 1. First one is 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. Then 3 into 3 is 9. So what we want here? The square number which is less than or equal to 4. So 4. See, less than or equal to 5. So this one. 2 2s are 4. So that 2 you can write in divisor place here. Then 4 in down. 4 is down. Same way 2 as the quotient also. Quotient place also you can write 2. Okay. Then 5 minus 4. Subtraction only. Division no. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. The next number also you can bring down. 2 and 9 together only. One group. So 29 you can bring down. Okay. Then here divisor is 2. So you have to double the digit. 2 into 2 is 4. That you can write here. Okay. Then the next step is you have to add any number here. That same number you have to multiply. Okay, you have to add any number in the right side of 4 and the same number you have to multiply, and the product will not exceed 129. That is, the product is less than or equal to 129. That is the next step. Understood? That is, now I am going to add here 41. The same number we should multiply. 41 like this. Okay, is an example. So 129 it should be. So 3 3s are 9. So that 43. 3 only. 3 we can put here. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. See, 129. So 3 we can write here and 129 here. Same with the same time 3 in the quotient place also. So 0. So 23 is the square root of 529. 23 is the square root of 529. Hope it is clear. Next number 729. Same way 729. One group, then 7. Okay, then here also 2 2s are 4 only. 2 here, 2 here. 3 3s are 9. So not more than 7. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 29 you can bring down. That is the next step. Then double the digit 4 again. Okay, then what we have to do? You have to multiply. You have to put here put a number. Same number you have to multiply. That is 43. 43 into 3 is 129. So 329 should come here. So which number? 7 sevens are 49. Okay, so one's digit is 9. So 7 we can put here. 7 sevens are 49. So 329. 7 you can put here. 329. So 0. So 27. Square root of 729 is 27. We can do more questions in the next class. Practice well. Thank you.